So let's copy a file from host operating system into the guest operating system, which is Windows 11 in my case. So you can see it is not able to, so currently I'm not able to copy it. Okay, so what we have to do is go to open VM, then find for yes, this option, install VMware tools. Now in the background, let this run. We'll go to our host machine, and in the search bar we'll type task manager. Open task manager, click on file, run new task, click on browse button, and follow my screen. We have to search for this file in our directory, which is okay, GP update. Now click on this tick box and run this file. So let this run in the background. Let's minimize this. Now let's go back to our VM. Now this is installed in the VM. Now open this file, run this installation. Now it'll take a while. So this step is important. Click typical here, click next and finish. This will take another few seconds. So let's wait for that. Now once that is done, it will probably destroy your VM resolution. So click no here. To set it back, you can just go to display settings and correct it with our right resolution. Now let's move to our host VM. Now we have to copy our ISO file here. Now let's move to host VM. Let's copy this file, right click on it and select copy. Let's go back to our guest virtual machine, which is Windows 11. So we can see the option is enabled now.